How y'all feeling? How y'all doing? How y'all feeling? It's LaMarr Kendell, and welcome back to my channel. It's LaMarr Kendell. Okay. In today's video, for those who have been following me, you already know that it's Vlogtober.
Who is it?
Who is it?
Who is it? Who is it?
Who is it?
And on today's agenda for Vlogtober, I'll be going to Dollar Tree and a couple of other dollar stores to find some decor because I want to spruce up my apartment, get more into the spirit, because if you guys don't know, this is my second year in a row celebrating Halloween, and I say I'm going to step it up a notch and decorate my apartment a little bit. So it's like you guys will be chilling with me today. It's like a hanging out with LaMarr Kendell time today. So stay tuned for that. Before we get into the good stuff, you feel me? Before we get into all of the good stuff, I need for you guys to subscribe to my channel, become a part of the game. Make sure you turn on those notification bells so you can be a part of the wave when I upload new content. So let's get into it, you guys. Come on with me. But before we head up out this door, this is something that I want to be bringing awareness on my channel to, mental health. And I definitely want to check in with you guys and see how you're feeling and share how I'm feeling and how I've been feeling. This past week, the latter part of the week has been a challenge for me emotionally and spiritually, but I'm happy to have had that conversation that I had with a special someone who basically allowed me to have that grace with myself to realize where I've come and where I'm going and where I've yet to tap into. So I really just wanted to share this little tidbit with you guys. This is something that I'm going to be highlighting on my channel. I'm going to call it Lammy's Corner, which is something that's not new to my channel, but Lammy's Corner is all about mental health, and I hope that you guys are all doing well today. You're doing good. You had a better day than you did yesterday. We're waking up strong, because yesterday I didn't do anything but just lay around and just allow myself to feel and get through what I was feeling, crying at TV shows. I'm happy and I'm grateful. Today is a new day. I got the encouragement and the confidence to record some content, so I'm here for you guys. I'm open with you guys, transparent. We're gonna grow, we're gonna glow, and we're gonna keep it going. Let's keep that in mind. Let's keep it positive, and let's get up on out this door, all right? Okay, so I'm about to enter inside Dollar Tree. Hopefully it's not crowded, but it's so sunny right here that I couldn't get a clear shot of myself without it being like a shadow or a glare to where I can't see. I'm about to get up in here.
Bitch, you cannot make no thing, you stupid. How the fuck you got the right one? I went for Dollar Tree too.
How all of this is happening as soon as I come in here?
Wow.
Wow.
Yes, call that, please. Please.
Wow. Yo, what the fuck did I just walk into? Yo. What? Nah. This is crazy. Okay. Okay, so I'm here in Dollar Tree. That just like distracted the hell out of me. Let's see what they got. So this is what they got. As you guys can see, I'm online now. I got a couple of things. But I'm gonna have to show y'all when I get back inside because my hands are full. I purposely didn't get a cart or a basket to make sure I don't get too much stuff. But yeah, I'm gonna show y'all what I got when I get inside, alright? Oh my gosh, I'm back, and what an eventful store run that was at Dollar Tree. First of all, that just blew my mind coming in there, witnessing all of this going on in the store. And typically I don't have my phone or my camera rolling when I'm entering inside of a store, but something told me to just have my camera rolling, and then I go inside of there and there's a big brawl, like a whole argument between a customer and an employee at Dollar Tree. It was a mess. It was a huge mess. And once I found out and heard the tea, let me put y'all on and let y'all know what happened when I was in Dollar Tree. The customer said that she came back to figure out why she was charged a certain amount on something, and she claimed that the Dollar Tree employee got rude with her and then pulled out a box cutter on her. The manager of Dollar Tree sent the girl outside because according to the customer, she said that the employee invited her outside to fight. I guess at this time, like, the cops was called, but when I walked in there, they was already had been in each other's faces. Something is in my eye. So I'm just like, wow, I can't believe that all of this is going on. And everything happened in there so fast, even with me shopping and getting the things that I needed, because I just wanted to get in and out of there. I had already seen that there was a long line. Part of my cat wanna always be making noises when I'm doing something. It was already a long line in there. It was only one register open, and I'm gonna show you guys what I got from there because I got some cute things that I can use to decorate. And bro, it was at this moment when he had me fucked up. You're really blowing mine right now that you're doing that and you know I'm doing something. Okay. I'm gonna show you guys a couple of the things that I have from Dollar Tree because I feel like the things that I got was cute and I didn't overdo it, and I spent a nice little amount, and I feel like the stuff that I have I can reuse year after year until I get tired of it. So let me show y'all what I got. Okay, these are all the things that I got from Dollar Tree. Where's my receipt? I ended up spending $20 with $1.78 for tax. So I felt like that was so good because I was not trying to spend a whole bunch of money. So let me show you guys what I got from Dollar Tree. I have some garland, like I said, pink, the stuff that you put around the Christmas tree. I got me some creepy cloths. I got me some caution tape. I got me a lantern, paper lantern. I got me some bat wings for my cat, so hopefully he can be Bat Cat. I got this spider, which was inspired by that damn video, that TikTok video I saw. You guys saw it. I'm gonna insert it if you didn't see it.
Mom with giant spider.
I got me some things that you can hang. I got this. I got this ghost. I got this skull, this ghost, and this skeleton. I feel like there's a little theme with these skulls and the skeleton. That's all of the decor, you guys. You can find this stuff at your local Dollar Tree. I hope that you have fun with the selection that you do have, because at my Dollar Tree, the selection was not big. It was not a huge variety, but I got what I could. I came out there with what I wanted. Basically, I got what I needed out of there. How can I forget about this unique Halloween tree that I found in Dollar Tree? It's 11 by 11 inches, and I felt like this was so me when I saw it. Hopefully, Baddie. Watch, he probably about to jump in my bed. Y'all gonna see. Hopefully y'all can see. I felt like this was so cute, and I forgot to mention it. Like, what the hell? What the hell is wrong with me? That I forgot to mention this unique thing. Oh, okay. So you guys are gonna help me put these decorations up?
Ooh, have been saying that. Who said that?
I typically don't decorate for Halloween, and I'm super excited to tap in to that side, to have some fun, and to, yeah. The next time y'all see me, or the next time we see each other, I see you, you see me, we see each other.
We see each other.
We see each other. We good.
I'm over here watching Blue Streak while I eat my burger. Can't beat a Bodega burger with a cold Pepsi. Alright, I'm back, and you guys said that you was gonna help me decorate my apartment, right? So let's get into it now. And if you've come this far in the video, make sure that you press that subscribe button. Alright? Don't play with me. Come join me. We can play together. Alright? So I'm thinking I'm gonna start at the front and then work my way to the back. So let's do it. Let's see. I was actually thinking about doing it like this. Let's go ahead and I don't know if I want to put anything else over in this area, but let's see. Did they hit that subscribe button? Boomba, you like your wings, Bat Cat? He like, what in the hell is this shit on me? Go ahead, Bat Cat.
Whoa, what the hell?
He looks so cute. Oh, okay. Now it's time to decorate our tree, and then I can reveal to you guys the final look of my apartment. So let's decorate this unique Halloween tree.
Then dip me underway. You can feel my mind for flow. Hold me till I scream for every and wash me over until my will runs dry. Send all your sins all over me, baby, baby.
Too sexy for your game, too sexy for this fame. Yeah, yeah. I'm too sexy for the trap, too sexy for that cap, too sexy for that jack. Yeah, yeah. Okay, alright, that's fine. Okay, okay. I'm feeling too sexy to accept requests, and I'm way too sexy to go unprotected. And she popped a Tesla, now she gonna let you. Okay, alright, that's fine. Okay, think we got too sexy for that metro housing. Diamond popped out, almost swallowed 60,000. Section need more things in here, I like it crowded. Whoa,
Final piece.
yeah, I like it crowded. Oh, you like the boy? Well, tell me what you like about him. You a turtle little thotty, ain't no wife about it. I'ma fuck her friends and send them back to metro housing. Yeah.
Okay. First of all, I'm so proud of myself for getting this task done, for getting this video done. I'm just so proud of myself. So let me show off my decorations that I did in my apartment for Halloween. And I feel like maybe I could get a few more things and then I'll be satisfied. But I definitely want to get me like some faux pumpkins in here. And I'm also going to get me a real one. So that will be in a future video, but let me show y'all what I did up in my crib. So that's the video today, you guys. My Halloween decor. I'm happy that you guys tuned in with me. I'm happy that you guys helped me set up and decorate my apartment. I feel like there are a few more things that I will pick up to finalize everything. But if you like this video, please share it, comment it, like it. You could get all of these things from Dollar Tree. If you want to get these things, hit up your local Dollar Tree. And happy Halloween. Bye.